how to do a half swipe on Instagram. So first of all, you want to go into Instagram, and then from here you would want to go into your messenger icon here or to your chats. So tap on it. And from here, basically you would want to go into the conversation that you would want to do a half swipe in. For example, I'm going to go for this conversation. So I'm going to tap on it and then scroll up really fast. So you really need to be quick on this one. So the purpose of half swiping is to be able to view this message really briefly without getting without notifying the other end that it has been seen. So that is the purpose of half swiping here on Instagram. So basically, once you have scrolled up in here, you wanna scroll down gently until you see that message right there. So just simply take a pic, and then after that, once you have read that message or taken a pic, then you would now just go back, and then that's it. You have now half swiped on Instagram, and with this, you will now be able to read messages without actually seeing them.